Global industrial and machinery buyers, welcome back to my channel. I am your sourcing agent based in Gongyi China, home to 2,000 plus industrial factories. And today we're going to visit a professional factory which specializes in producing all-in-one pole digging and erection machines, also called earth auger cranes. And apart from this core equipment, they also provide a full range of different products, including multifunctional transport trucks, fuel and electrical tricycles, and portable solar power stations. If you want reliable China suppliers, please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, I want you to the end. Okay, without further ado, let's start today's factory tour now. This is a certificated Chinese high-tech enterprise with many official owners. They make hole digging pole machines for power, telecom, and construction projects worldwide. Their machines are sold to dozens of countries, cooperating with power companies globally. First, we're in their meeting room to check out their core product display. Take a look at this machine right here. After checking all product specifics and details, we visit their workshop to watch a product and finish the machines. You can see welders working hard in the workshop. Next, let's focus on the core part of this machine, the drill bit. It is made of manganese steel, solid and long-lasting. The factory offers a 1-year repair warranty for all products. Customized accessories are available for extreme high and low temperatures. It's widely used for power projects, utility poles, and tree planting in landscaping. Their switchable wheel track machines are quite unique. You can swap tires and tracks for different work sites. Look at this digging and grabbing all-in-one machine suitable for engineering transport, mining transport, operations such as grabbing, excavating, loading, and bulldozing in farmland and snow. And they also have this fuel and electric tricycles. It's low noise levels, high driver passenger comfort, convenient operation, and low energy consumption costs. Comply with the green and environmentally friendly requirements of mining operations, featuring zero emissions and zero pollution. They also have this portable solar power station. It supports both solar charging and conventional power source charging. providing over 10 hours of continuous power supply. The factory centers its whole business on customizing equipment for global clients. That's all for today's factory tour. Now, if you are interested in today's product, send your inquiries through my business contact below, and see you guys in my next Gongyi China factory vlog. Bye!